I have cheesy, cheesy, fluffy, simple scrambled eggs.
All right, Jen, so what do we need to do to get things started? Because this is your dish.
So the first thing you want to do is pull out your eggs and your butter and your cheese if you want to add cheese to it, so it's coming up to room temperature. So once we have all of our ingredients out and tempered, we are going to crack our eggs.
Okay.
You want to crack them on a flat surface and into a bowl so you don't get any shells in the blender. You don't have to worry about anyone yelling at you. So now we're going to add these eggs into our blender.
Okay. We're going to turn the skillet on. It's this is a cast iron pan. You can use a non-stick. For this purpose, we're using this cast iron because we have an induction. Induction works with metal that is magnetic.
So it's important that you don't get your pan too hot. You want to keep it at a low heat because the eggs are going to cook nice and slow and low. Okay. While your pan is heating up, you're going to start your eggs in the blender. They're going to blend for at least a minute. You're going to get them nice and pale yellow, doubled in size, and super, super extra frothy.
Okay.
No salt in here, just eggs.
0 salt. This much?
Yeah.
It's really hot.
Yeah, that's why I saw you. I do it already. Into the pan, you're gonna do about a tablespoon of butter. Get it nice and melted.
All right, we're melted.
You see, the eggs are nice and light and pale yellow, and we're gonna go right into the pan. Use your spatula and get out all that bubbly goodness of egg. So you take the spatula. Okay, so let it sit for about 10 seconds. And now you're going to take your spatula and gently pull the eggs from side to side. Almost like you're making an omelet, but make little mountains with the eggs.
Is that fine?
Yeah, that looks great. Yeah! And you can start from the sides here too. So again, nice and low and slow. And you see the pan was good where you got a little bit of that brown butter, which is super delicious and will add to the flavor.
It's really, really fluffy.
So adding in the blender, adding all the air really changes the texture completely. You can see all the bubbles. We haven't put any salt in it. When you add salt too early, it starts to break down and get watery. Okay, now we're about 75% cooked. You can see there's only a little bit of bubbles on top. We're gonna add salt now, a nice good pinch over the whole top. And we're gonna add some cheese. You can add whatever cheese you like. We have just basic American cheese here.
Cheesy.
And Billy, what you're gonna do is once I get all the cheese, you're gonna fold it over a little bit, or you can flip it completely, yeah.
We flip it in like stages.
Yeah. And you're just, as you see, the heat is super low. You're not getting really like any more color on it.
So this is like a modified omelet.
It's like a hybrid of scrambled eggs and an omelet. So you're scrambling the eggs in the blender and you're cooking nice and super low.
Right, so
Push that all in.
do we turn the heat up or just leave it like this?
Just leave it like this. So what's happening now that you like turned it over on itself, all of the residual heat from the eggs in the pan is just going to keep cooking the inside and melting the cheese. So patience and just letting it sit in the pan. At this point, you can walk away, get a sip of your coffee.
How about I go get
back.
a plate to put it on?
Yeah, that sounds great.
Is it down here?
We got to put it right here.
So we got a plate, got cheese. Cheese.
See, like right here, you can see where that cheese is starting to melt into the egg. And now you are ready to go onto your plate.
All right.
Let's see. You can see all of the layers that it has made.
So it's super creamy. Oh my god. Okay.
Cheesy, fluffy, simple scrambled eggs.
So here's the final product. This is the process.
It's easy. Easy, cheesy, fluffy.
Spice it up. Spice up my life.
Big fork, little fork.
Big head, small head.
So good.
Delicious.
Really is so good.
They're so fluffy. The cheese is like nice and melted. And you get layers of egg.
Yeah.
So it's not like just one cohesive aerated egg. It's like a layer of egg, cheese, aerated egg, cheese. It's delicious.
Like that's a good.
Put it on there too.
Put this up. Thanks so much for watching.
Since you've gotten this far, be sure to hit the like button.
And subscribe so you can keep cooking with us.
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.